Tropical Storm Lee is an ongoing tropical storm which developed in the western Caribbean Sea. It is forecasted to move into the Gulf of Mexico over the weekend. Spaghetti models are guidance tracks on a single map generated by a variety of weather models. They are created for accumulations of air pressure, temperature, precipitation, and other variables. These models can help forecasters analyze the current and anticipated storm track. Currently, the spaghetti models for Tropical Storm Lee show shifting, uncertain tracks. Most of these models have the storm headed towards the Florida Peninsula and the Gulf of Mexico. There is still some uncertainty in where exactly the storm will go. The most likely path of Hurricane Lee is a northward route towards the Gulf Coast. It is important to keep an eye on the spaghetti model guidance in order to be prepared. Some of the models show the storm last much internet time in the Gulf, while others show it turning eastward and away from the coast. It is important to closely monitor the data provided by the models to make informed decisions. The current spaghetti models suggest that the storm is likely to make landfall somewhere in the Gulf Coast. The storm could cause flooding, destruction of property, and other damage to people and businesses in the affected area. If the storm remains on its current trajectory, the Gulf Coast should prepare for the possibility of a hurricane. Watching the spaghetti models can help predict where and when the storm will make landfall. The spaghetti models are updated frequently and should be monitored regularly. It is important to stay informed as the situation develops, and to make emergency preparations if the storm threatens your area. It is wise to be prepared for the possibility of a major hurricane, even if the current spaghetti models do not show the storm making landfall. The spaghetti models can also provide vital data such as wind speed and storm surge heights, which can help people prepare for the worst if it does come. Despite the uncertainty that the spaghetti models provide, they are still an invaluable tool for tropical storm forecasting. The data provided by the models can be used to create a variety of scenarios for the potential weather conditions and their effects on different areas. Data from the models can help inform decisions about how best to prepare for a hurricane as it approaches. They can help determine necessary evacuations and how best to secure valuable property. National Weather Service offices use the spaghetti models to inform their official forecasts and advisories.